I first started losing my hair around age 19, really lost my confidence. One of the best things I've ever done for myself, both physically and emotionally. It was really smooth. I was really comfortable. The hair grows in quick and it grows in dense. The office and the staff here at Dr. Bolton's office are fantastic. Dr. Bolton knows what he's doing. He's definitely a professional and a pro. You don't need to look any further than Dr. Bolton. I would 100% recommend Dr. Bolton to anyone. Thank you for giving me a new leash on life.
26 to 28 years old, I started losing some hair. A friend of mine told me about him. So I came here, so I said, well, I will give him a try. And I came here and I realized that's the place that I was looking for. He looked great, good density. He looks totally different. Thank you very much.
Last week we've had a patient from Egypt, a patient from Trinidad and Tobago.
I would say do it. If you're thinking about it, do it. Very, very comfortable, very relaxed. The aftercare is incredible. Lots of support, and your smile will get bigger throughout the year.
I was a handsome guy and I felt manly, but not with the hair loss. My procedure went very, very well. Everybody was very, very accommodating, friendly. I feel better about myself now. It's impacted my life. I feel better. I feel like it was a good investment. This is a long-term benefit for me, so I'm very happy with what I did. I recommend Dr. Bolton highly. He's a great guy, does nice work. I recommend him to everybody. It was very simple, very, very simple procedure. Hey Doc, you know people have jars with suckers in them? You should have a jar with combs in them, so people can grab a comb when they leave.
Perfect.
They'll need it later.
Good idea. Thanks.
Alright, I just had this procedure. I got the max harvest. I got it done 2 weeks ago. I was happy with my results from my previous hair transplant from Dr. Bolton. I got the same thing I just got 2 weeks ago. I got the max harvest. I made the appointment with Josh. So I got the temple done and the top as well. And now this is 2 weeks out. Grow out my hair and comb it back, and I'll have a real strong, solid hairline. That was my main goal for this procedure. It looked good, but now it's gonna look great.
And knowing you, I think in about 5 months it'll be looking pretty good, so we're excited for you.
Yeah.